Routing, that is, navigating different pages of the same domain, is achieved using the URL property of request parameter of callback function supplied to the create server function in HTTP module. Create a new JavaScript file in VS Code. And save it as server root.js. Import the built-in HTTP module of nodejs at the top of the current module. Define the host name, or host IP address and port. Create the server object, using the createServer method. createServer accepts a callback function. This callback function is executed each time a request is made. Routing is done using the URL property of the request object. As seen, we are conditionally sending response dependent on the request URL. If the user is at home screen, we are sending an HTML response home page in h1 tag. For the About page, we are sending another HTML response. If else block is used here. For both home screen and about screen, status code is 200, indicating success. If the user gives some other URL, plain text message, not found is printed, and the status code of 404 is outputted. have thus imported HTTP module, defined constants for storing hostname and port. We then created a server object. This object takes a callback function in argument. This callback function sends different response bodies, depending on the request URL. We then started listening to the server, at given port. Let's now start the server. Go to the terminal window of VS Code, and type node, followed by the file name. And then press enter. At the home, that is, starting page of the app, HTML message home page is printed. If you append the text about to the base URL, the app prints the message about us. For all the other request URLs not handled in the callback, plain text message not found is printed. Let's now add one more route, for contact page. Copy and paste one condition for some route and make necessary changes in the newly pasted code. Stop the server by pressing Ctrl+C, and again start the server. As you can see, route for contact page is now also working.